Patron Member Neelam Ma'am, respected Principal Sir, hardworking Coordinator Ma'am, Reverend Teachers, non-teaching staffs, esteemed guests, and my fellow students. This is Anvesha Priya, student of Standard 10th MS, standing over here with a provoking speech on this auspicious occasion. First of all, good morning all of you. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. दिल से निकलेगी न मरकर भी वतन की उल्फत, दिल से निकलेगी न मरकर भी वतन की उल्फत, मेरी मिट्टी से ही खुशबू है वतन आएगी. Today, as we unfurl the tricolor high up in the air, we commemorate the sacrifices of our countless heroes who fought tirelessly for India's freedom. It is a day to celebrate our diversity, reaffirm our commitment for building a stronger, more united India. On this 79th Independence Day, with the theme Viksit Bharat, let's renew our reflection towards a progressive, inclusive, and empowered India for all. Now let's begin with a powerful slogan that captures the spirit of independence. Swaraj is our birthright, and we shall have it. Coined by Bal Gangadhar Tilak, a prominent leader in Indian independence movement, this slogan encapsulates the spirit of defiance, determination, and the unyielding desire of self-rule or Swaraj. It was well said by Asfar Khan. सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए का दिल में है. My friends, as we celebrate this Independence Day, let us also remember the struggles and sacrifices of our freedom fighters. They fought bravely against colonial rule, enduring immense hardship to secure India's freedom. We owe it to them to uphold the value of freedom, justice, and equality that they fought for. So salute those sacrifices and celebrate the freedom. Today, India stands as a vibrant democracy, a nation with diverse cultures, languages, and religions. Our unity in diversity is our greatest strength. So let's celebrate this diversity and work together to build a united India. Our diversity is our strength. Our unity is our power. United we stand, divided we fall. As we move forward, let us focus on building a developed India by 2047, the centenary of our independence. This requires dedication, hard work, and a commitment to progress in every field. Let us empower our youth, promote education, and strive for social justice. भरा नहीं जो भाव से बहती जिसमें रफ्तार नहीं, भरा नहीं जो भाव से बहती जिसमें रफ्तार नहीं, हृदय नहीं वो पत्थर है जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं, जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं. In the colors of our flag, we find our unity. Let us also remember our responsibility as citizens of free nation. We must uphold the rule of law, protect our environment, and contribute to the betterment of society. On this Independence Day, let us all pledge to work together, united in our diversity, and to build a brighter future for India. Let the spirit of freedom and patriotism inspire us to achieve greater heights. Now let's add some poetic flavor to our celebration with few lines. जली चिताओं का हिसाब बाकी है, अमन का नया आफ्ताब बाकी है. जली चिताओं का हिसाब बाकी है, अमन का नया आफ्ताब बाकी है. सींचा है गुलिस्ता कतरे कतरे लहू से, अभी मुझ में माटी सा कहीं गुलाब बाकी है. पाल लिए आंखों ने ख्वाब तिरंगे हैं, पाल लिए आंखों ने ख्वाब तिरंगे के. मुल्क में शहादत का सैलाब बाकी है, जन्मा भगत सा वीर जिस माटी में, वो दहाड़ने वाला पंजाब बाकी है, वो दहाड़ने वाला पंजाब बाकी है. बच्चा बच्चा बन जाए भगत सिंह, बच्चा बच्चा बन जाए भगत सिंह, मेरे वतन में यह इनकलाब बाकी है. आजाद भारत में हर जरूरत पूरी हो, आजाद भारत में हर जरूरत पूरी हो, वीर शहीदों का यह ख्वाब बाकी है, यह ख्वाब बाकी है. Freedom in our mind, strength in our words, pride in our soul, zeal in our hearts.